Hi, I'm Karan, and I'll take you through the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged farmers to end their protests against three laws, assuring that the MSP or minimum support prices would remain in place. He also referenced his predecessor Manmohan Singh as he mocked the Congress's U-turn on farm reforms.
इतना ही नहीं, एमएसपी है, एमएसपी था, एमएसपी रहेगा। इस सदन की पवित्रता समझे हम। जिन 80 करोड़ से अधिक लोगों को सस्ते में राशन दिया जाता है, वो भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा। इसलिए मेहरबानी करके भ्रम फैलाने के काम में हम न जुड़े, क्योंकि हमको देश ने एक विशिष्ट जिम्मेवारी दी है। किसानों की आय बढ़ाने के जो दूसरे उपाय हैं, उन पर भी हमें बल देने की जरूरत है। आबादी बढ़ रही है, परिवार के अंदर सदस्यों की संख्या बढ़ रही है, जमीन के टुकड़े छोटे होते जा रहे हैं। ऐसी स्थिति में हमें कुछ न कुछ ऐसा करना ही होगा ताकि किसानी पर बोझ कम हो और हमारे किसान के परिवार के लोग भी रोजी रोटी कमाने के लिए, उनके लिए हम और अवसर उपलब्ध करा सकें। इनकी तकलीफों को दूर करने के लिए हमने काम करना होगा।
Bangladesh Health Minister Zahid Malik today said that people aged 40 years and above will be allowed to take COVID-19 vaccine. Manipur will lease out lands for 3 years to landless fish farmers. The state's fisheries minister Sorikhaibam Rajendra Singh said he will inspect districts to make sure that there are no encroachments on fishery areas. The minister was speaking at the distribution of small, lightweight and oval-shaped boats to farmers at Western Gate of Kangla in Imphal on Sunday. The Union Ministry of Civil Aviation and the Directorate General of Civil Aviation have allowed the Board of Control for Cricket in India or BCCI to use drones for recording matches live. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today requested the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to help the state in setting up a new township in Shillong and in providing affordable housing for the poor. We will now take a short commercial break. We will be back soon. Hello viewers and welcome back. The district administration in Silchar has decided to install closed-circuit television cameras or CCTVs and set up traffic signals in different areas of the town to curb crimes, especially chain snatching. Pope Francis on Monday urged governments to use the coronavirus crisis as an opportunity to create a world that is more economically and environmentally just and where basic health care is guaranteed for all. The Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal has asked non-operational airline companies to clear the pending due within 30 days. Rich countries must help vaccinate the entire planet against COVID-19 and ease intellectual property rules to allow the manufacture of vaccines in developing countries, said former President of the United Nations General Assembly, Maria Fernanda Espinosa. An Australian journalist who has been detained for nearly 6 months in China, where she worked for a state television channel, has been formally arrested on suspicion of illegally supplying state secrets overseas, the two countries said on Monday. That's all for today. For more such stories from India's eastern neighborhood, please follow Newsfile Connect on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you.